Okay, so the next style that we're going to talk about for spring of 2020 is the Yao. The Yao was introduced last season. It replaced the Madrid, which was just a one strap situation here, but it came up the foot a little bit lower than the Yao does, so it made it a little bit more flippy floppy. I love this style because you still have that like fun summery feel with a light strapping on the top of your foot, but it's a little bit more interesting because you have all these crisscrosses and also hello color, love it. Okay, so we have Birko floors here. So you have your copper, your gold, you've got this really pretty flower situation. I absolutely love that. It's super fun. It's very light and springy. And then again with that more like dusty pink, I love that. And then the white with the rose gold, I'm so digging that. And then over here in our nubuck situations, I'm loving this. So you have this really light dusty blue, and then you have, it's like a gray color, right? So I don't know if they're calling it white or what we're calling it, but it's super nice because it's not going to show quite as much dirt as some of other colors that we've had in the past. But look at what's happening on the Salina right now. So you have the two-tone, you have the blue with that really light dusty gray, and then you have the pink with a really soft pink. I just love that we've done the two-tone color. I think that I'm really probably the most excited about spring 2020 in Birkenstock than I have been in quite a while because these colors are so awesome. And then we also have some colors over here in the Arizona, which are awesome. We have had a dusty blue like this in the past. I want to say it was like a season or two ago. But I just think it's really pretty. I feel like this one's a little, the last one we had was a nubuck. This is a suede. So it's going to be a little bit more textured. And I just love it. It's such a soft, pretty blue. But honestly, I think my favorite is probably going to be here with this sandy, rusty, salmony color. You choose whichever word works best for you, but these are so adorable. I love this color. I feel like it works well with a lot of different skin tones. And then there's this yellow. I can't wear yellow to save my life just because of my skin tone, but this yellow is so pretty. It almost pulls like kind of like a green color, but it's so fun and light. And again, all three of the ones that I just showed you, they're all suede. So easy suede cleaner. Make sure that you pick up weather guard. Weather guard is super important when you're purchasing suedes and the nubucks. You just want to make sure that you keep those protected so that way they last you as long as possible. So if you want to pre-order any of these, if we haven't received them yet, you're totally more than welcome to. But if you want anything that you see on this table, make sure that you come and see us, and we'll see you later.